Let's create an e-commerce flyer. Press T for test. Fast charging. Change font size to 72. Go to font, change it to Laura. Make it bold. Bring it here. Go to elements, go to shape. I'll pick rounded square. Up a little bit. Go to corner, set it to 75. 75. I'll go to position. I'll change the width to 833.8. Then change the height to 356.3. I'll go to color, change the color to this. Turn it to gradient color. Click here, go to color picker. Click this color. Make it into 4. Use the color picker. Change this one to this. Click on linear gradient. Let me change this F to capital letter. F. Okay. Then I will go back to shape again. Import it underscore, change the color to white. Font height to 75. Use it like this. Bring it here. Go to element. Type Apple icon. This icon I'm looking for. Bring it down here. Change the color to blue. Go back to element again and look for Android. Go to graphics. The Android I'm looking for. Change the color to blue. Resize it up a little bit. Bring it down here. Turn this up a little. Turn this up a little. I'll go back to text. I'll type 50%. I'll bring it here. Go to fonts. Use Poppins. Make it go black. Change the font to white. It a little bit. Send it up a little. Duplicate the text. Come here. Type in 30 minutes. 30 minutes. And the font size to 21. This font size should be 35. Change this to 21. Go back to fonts. Go to Poppins. Make it regular. So bring it here. I'll click L for line. Bring it down here. Raise it up a little bit. Close it. Go to strokes. Corner the two edge. Increase the size to 13. Let's make it 10. Change the line color to green. I'll go to element again and search for charging icon. That's what I'm looking for. I'll bring it down. I'll use it to this length. Bring it down here. Go to text. Type 0%. Font size to 13. Change the font to orange. Bring it down here. Change the font color to white. Bring it down here. I'll duplicate it. Bring it here. Change the text to 50%. I'll bring it down here. I'll bring it down. I'll duplicate it. Change it again to 100%. Change the font size to 13.2. I'll bring it down here. I'll go to element and type and look for bubble. This bubble I want to use. I'll reduce it very well. I'll place it here. Expand it a little bit. Expand it again. I'll go to my upload. I'll bring it this cable. I'll go to the background. I'll expand it. Now, first of all, I need to bring this down a little bit. So I highlight it all. Break it down. Return this. Move it a little. Bring it down here. A little bit. Send it to back. Duplicate it. Send it to back a little bit. Bring it down here. Duplicate it. Align both of them so that will be together. I'll crop it. I'll send this text up a little. I need to center it already. I'll go back to text. Up 2. Type to change the font size to 85. Change it to Poppins. Make it extra bold or black. Yes, that's okay. That's very much okay. I'll go to text again. I'll type protection from overheating. Short circuits and voltage source. I need to write. Change the color to white. Also change the font to Poppins to be on regular. Okay, regular adjustment here. All this in, all this in. Change the font size to 18. Is it a little bit? Bring this to here. And I'll go to text again. I'll type fast charging. I'll bring it down here. I'll duplicate this. I'll type durable bridge. Good Poppins. I'll make it bold, extra bold. I'll bring it down here. I'll change this font to black. Take it up here. Bring it up here. Bring it up a little bit. Click on text and I'll type meters cable length. I'll bring it down here. Change the font to white. Change the font to white. Change the font size to 21. Change this font size to 21. I'll bring it here. Move this a little bit to this place. Change the alignment to left. I'll click T for text. I'll type 365 days. 365. Change the font size to 43. Go to font. Go to Poppins, make it extra bold. I'll bring it here. I'll duplicate it. I'll highlight and type warranty. I'll come back to font. Make it to medium. I'll go to element. I'll go to shape. I'll pick rectangle square. Change the color to blue. Reduce the size. Bring it here. Reduce the size again. The size okay. Click text. I'll type iPhone USB cord. iPhone USB cable. Use caps lock. Go to font. Extra bold. Change the font color to white. Let me move the cable so that the text will just run. And let's use iPhone USB. Go to position. Click on middle. Let me create a space at the top. Let me bring this down, all of them down a little bit. I click L for line. I'll change the color to black. I'll roll it up a little bit. Hold shift, drag it to the center. Hold shift, drag it to the center here. I'll click on the line. Into the line stroke. The stroke line width to 2. I'll click T for text. I'll type both edge. I'll close this. I'll bring it here. Change the text size to 28. Cut it a little bit. Make it medium. Bring it in a little bit. Duplicate it. Bring it here. I'll type high reliability. Expand it. Bring it in a little bit. Click here. Click here. Align to the center. I'll group them and bring them to the center. Okay. I'll go to elements and look for light effect. Click on light effect. I'll go to graphics. I'll come down a little. Okay, this is light effect I'm looking for. I'll bring it here. Yeah, move it down. Bring it to the center. Send it to back. Reduce it a little bit. And that's our final design.